Okay, hopefully this recording well. Good evening, everyone. So this is me, Alam Putra, and I want to guide you to set up your virtual machine with GPU pass-through on it. Uh, Many all of you ask me to on Discord and Reddit thread. Basically, I pass through my GPU to my VM, and the VFIO community is very awesome for me. They help me and guide me to make it work. So hope this is my threads, and this is second. I'm playing this game Honkai Star Rail with my looking glass. Okay, to the point. You have to install Fort Manager, QEMU dependencies, all of them, and this is my. I think I have making the documentation on it. This is the uh, this is the guide. Uh, I make this for me for my documentation, and you can use it. Oh, so first thing first, we need the ISO Windows 11 or Windows 10. This is the link, and the VirtIO drivers for your VM. So uh, this is you have to enable IOMMU first on your Linux host. This is the command. You have to edit the grab uh, you have to type after quiet or before or after. It depend on you. I'm after the quiet text. I'm typing AMD underscore IOMMU equal on. This is for me. I using Ryzen 5, so I'm type this one. If you have Intel CPU, you have to type Intel underscore IOMMU equal on, and you can save it, Control X, and you have to recompile your graph. I don't do this because I have reboot to my system, so I skip this for one. And you have to type this and reboot your system. After you reboot, you have to check the IOMMU. So this is the command. You have to type sudo. If you appear your terminal appear like this, its mean is you success. You have successfully turned on your IOMMU on your laptop. Side note, if you have a PC on your motherboard, you have to go to your BIOS first and search the IOMMU on your vendor BIOS. If you have the Gigabyte or Asus motherboard and or something else, you have to check it, and you have to turn on the BIOS first. Okay. After that, we have to find your graphic cards. I'm using NVIDIA GPU, so if I copy this command and on my terminal it will appear the NVIDIA GPU. You this is my setup currently. I'm passed through my GPU, so this is the you have to done this. You have to make it the VFIO PCI appear on here, which mean you have successfully passed through your GPU. If you don't have this, because if you don't on here, if you not the VFIO equal PCI, which mean you okay, you before you have to I'm sorry, I'm kind of nervous. Basically you have to, where is my terminal? You have to copy this line, copy, and you on your text editor, and you have to search this one, your the NVIDIA ID. You have to like this, and this is like this. So I'm sorry. Your graphics are ID, for example, my ID is 10DE 1F99 and 10DA 10FA. And you can see here. Yes. Where is my terminal? So this is kernel driver in use is NVIDIA. This is for Y is VFIO PCI. This is you have to make VFIO equal PCI appear on here, because if you just if you still on NVIDIA one, your GPU is not bind on your VFIO. So after that you make it this line, and you have to copy this on your terminal. Type it option VFIO/PCI. Nah, this is your ID on here. You can copy and paste on here. After that you close and save it. So oh, I see. After that you have to edit the sudo etc modprof what you have to we have to search it. I forgot. Where is it? mkinit. Okay, sudo nano etc mkinit cpio.conf. You have to add this line VFIO underscore PCI space VFIO space VFIO IMU type 1. You have to type like this, and you can save it and close it. Where is it? If you done, you have to recompile your kernel, your init cpio. When typing sudo mk init cpio min p spacing linux. This is will recompile your Linux system, and you have to reboot it. And after that, this is the main thing. I'm here using Artix Linux, and if you have Ubuntu system or other operating system, you have to follow their documentation. Basically the same. We have to install QEMU desktop and libvirt, edk2 ovmf, Virt Manager, and DNS mesh queue. If you're using Arch Linux, you can follow it. So I'm here, it's done, and reinstalling again, so I'm not installing again. After that, you have to copy this line to enable libvirt service and other things on it, here to here. After that, then we have to activate the default by default network by typing this command. This is this one and this one, and you're done. So first we need to install the Windows VM. We have to open the virtual manager. You have to insert your ISO, browse, and select your ISO. Type it Windows 11, retain CPU. This is depends on you. I'm using my 6 core and 2 threads, which means I have 12 cores on my system. I give it 10 to my system VM. You have to select or custom storage because it will increase your speed on your VM. This is important. We have to add this and type it 100 and more. This is for tutorial, and I'm type it 46, I guess 50. Okay. And select this volume, and you can forward and customize configure before install. So okay, from this one you can select the SecBoot first, because the Windows 11 is require secure boot. In the CPU, you have to follow my configuration. This is 1 socket, 5 cores, and 2 threads, which means I using 10 CPU core. Okay, and the memory is enable shared memory. I will explain it later. For Virt IOFS, for sharing Linux and Windows system file. And this is your checklist. You enable it and put it on the top because for booting. And you can add your mouse and the keyboard from the VM for the pass through. I'm select the Lenovo gaming mouse, my mouse and my keyboard to the VM. And after that, you have to add your VirtIO drivers. Where is it? Manage. I'm save it from here. Okay, you see the ROM device and finish. You can enable it and save it. For this you have to change to VirtIO because it will increase your CPU and increase your read and write on your VM. This is important. You have to select this to none and unmap. You you can apply unsafe or none. Yeah, I forgot. Hypervisor default and click this unmap. Okay, for now. And I think this is the begin installation for now. You have to wait. Okay, we can hit next, and checklist this, and click I don't have a key, accept it, and load the driver. This is, we can select the VirtIO drivers, AMD system, AMD64 and Win11. We can click OK. This is will appear automatically. You select and install. Holy shit. Okay, I will increase the later on. Is Windows will crash? Oh no. Okay. You have to install, and this is, I think, is kinda slow, so I will skip this video for you. You have to wait. Okay, the installation Windows is done. We have to skip this question. You can type, click your shift command and F10, and you have to type in, what is it, start ms. I have to start ms chs equal local only. We have to skip and give it the name to make it fast. You can disable this question because Windows is very bad. Okay, but I'm done. After this, I'm launch the Chris Titus tweak for Windows for make the CPU processing is will going down. This is process take 150 more or less. This is he making the Windows tool so good. We have to wait this. Okay, we have to type it irm christitus.com/win ix. You have to wait it. You have to tweaks standard. This is I'm using dark mode. temporary file. Okay, and run Twix. The problem the start ms command is we don't have the edge for web browser, so we have to use this ArchTitus Twix for install the apps for you. So we have to wait this for now. Okay, this finished, and we have to install the browser. So I think I will install the Firefox for wait. WinGet is not installed. What? From Chocolatey, okay. We have to use Chocolatey. And after the Firefox is done, we have to install the GPU drivers. So I'm clicking this one. You have to download first, I think, NVIDIA drivers. Recently the NVIDIA drivers is got bug, so you have to install the, I think, called 566. Sorry. Download NVIDIA drivers 566. Yes, this one. You have to download and install. Download first and not install, because we don't assign the GPU drivers. This is we are using the KXL driver. After you download your drivers, we have to install the VirtIO drivers and click it the Gestol, this one. You have to wait. We agree. Install it. Oh, where is mouse? Where mouse? Okay. What? Why mouse is buggy? Okay. After this done, we have to install the VirtIO AFS. Where is translated? I don't know. This is for cert file Linux system and the Windows. Where is it? Where is the download? is not in the first IO. Installed for IO drivers on Windows. WinSFP, download, and download the installer. We can install it. Okay. Can hit next, install. Okay. You can hit yes and finish. Okay. I forgot I have to download the NVIDIA driver first for this tutorial. We have to wait it first. Oh, by the way, we have to see this is using the SSD. This is a VirtIO SCSE, this device. We have to make it appear to SSD. Okay. We have to set it off the VM first. We have to configure it. Okay. On this one, I can adjust the font, sorry. We have to add again, click add hardware and click file system, and this is the we have to copy the Wuthering Wave games to this VM. So you can click this, you have to add this plus and click pull, and target path is the your WUA directories. So where is it? And here, and click the Wuthering Wave. Open that and click OK. Because I have and then sorry, I have to make it again, sorry. Wuthering Wave, open and click finish. Pull one and you can choose this volume. Oh, sorry. Delete the poll. Oh, you have to add this poll. This is one, and click finish. Okay. After that, you will click the Wuthering Wave and click OK. You have typed it WUA or something. You have to, you click the finish. Okay. After that, we have to add the NVIDIA GPU on this thing. So this is the NVIDIA GPU. Okay, click yes, and is a host device, and this one. Okay. What again? Okay, this is important. If you have a secondary monitor and you have to change it to none and click OK, apply. So this is really important. And after that, I think it's done. Maybe. Oh, sorry. The XML is important too, because we have to hijack the driver for recognizing the when the VM is boot and search the driver. I don't know about this because the laptop on or laptop and PC is very different, because the driver is searched by, I don't know, on my condition the driver will not detected. Let me show you. So I will hit apply button. It will start the VM, and it will appear in my secondary monitor. So where is not booting? I think you can wait. Where this not appear? Why is not? Oh, I forgot. I'm sorry. Okay. Sorry. I have the. Okay, I will. My configuration is wrong because the NVIDIA GPU is not installed. sorry. I will cut this. Enggak, lagi bikin video.
Wow, amazing cu. Udah kali Terry ya? Aja lah nyobain ini.
Iya. Okay. This is none. You have to set it to none and hit apply. Sorry for the quality of my mic, because I'm using the USB-C earphone. My monitor is using USB-C, so I'm using the mic from the webcam. I'm sorry for the mic quality. Okay, and you have to click it to none. You hit apply, and we have to start the VM machine. And this is the magic. We have to wait the second monitor to boot. I think I can adjust the webcam. I don't know, it's laggy for me. Okay, this is not installed the NVIDIA GPU, so this is called the Microsoft basically adapter, and we have to install the GPU. Oh, I forgot, we have to install it with NV clean install for NV clean install. For me is the NVIDIA driver is kind of bloat, so I will use the NV clean install to install the drivers. This is will getting error message for me because I don't know the laptop users will encounter this problem or not, but for my laptop the condition is when I'm using the default install from the NVIDIA, it will not detect the GPU. So I think this NV clean install 2, and we have to see no matching the driver found. We have to try it first. Legacy, HDMI, USB-C is not required. I think this physics is okay. Physics is required. Nggak usah. Okay, install. I will pause the video and moving on. Why is... oh, I forgot. And you have to click the disable telemetry install and click next and show in folder and copy to your document file. This is the edited driver for your installer. And click install, setup. This is the problem it will encounter. I don't know why, because we have to edit the XML first. Maybe the PC will not encounter this problem. I don't know, because I saw the Mutahar video about it. He not encounter this problem. I have to fix it through the XML editor. We have to wait, and it will be encountered. Encounter the error. I think this one. Yes, you see. So we have to turn off the system and edit the XML video, the XML configuration for the webcam adjustment. I'm not. Okay, I turn off the system and we have to wait. I open my VM configuration before. This is the success my personal machine on this VM. We have to scroll it down and we have to copy this line. Camera command, override. We can copy this. I'm sorry. We have to edit this thing first. We have to copy this one and open on your XML VM, have to paste it here and click apply. Okay, this is, you have to copy this one, don't hit apply first, and you have to copy this line. I will put it on the description video, and copy this line to the, I think this after devices on here, have it click paste. Why is getting error? Oh, okay, it's duplicate, sorry. I think apply. Game override, game override. Oh, okay, mau command line nya, this line is not going in here. I'm sorry, problem. Okay, mau command line override. Oh, it is not required. And hit apply. Oh, the XML is, I'm stupid. Okay. What is comment for? This is the, I think it's called translation between hexadecimal or something, I forgot. We have to check the GPT. Yes. This line converted to decimal. Yes, when that translation is for XML configuration, because the value of my GPU is 10 DE is 6058. What is it? Why is different? So tadi 48, 18, 43, 43, 46. Okay. So if I change this one, I forgot. When I got this script, this line from the level 1 tech forum, so I will edit this from let's see how this works. Okay, I'm start again. I will adjust the webcam. Wait, it's long. Okay. Why is stuck? Oh, okay. Loading. The loading screen. I don't know top. Okay. Win11. Okay, we have to install the driver again. Let's see it will work on this machine. Where is the what? Oh, I'm sorry. This is my shit. This is my primary system. I'm sorry. Oh, sorry. The VM system. The tutorial system. I'm sorry. Okay. We have to edit this line, apply, and hit this. Okay, this error is very quick, simple. We have to remove this USB. The USB pass-through from the system. Remove first, and we have to add the XML first. Ini udah. This is done, and add the USB pass-through again, the mouse and the GPU. Okay, this done, and let's see what's happened. Okay. I have to make it big. I'm sorry. Okay, we have to install the NVIDIA again from nvclean install. I think it will detect my system after the XML edit from before. I hope so. Okay, we have to edit it again. I forgot when I'm getting the from forum. I will explain on the later on. Why it's not work? Why are you doing this? Basically we have to add the from my XML before. Change it to I'm really happy that I'm saved the XML before that. Wow, man. And this is I will explain later on. And we hit play button again. Making this video is very hard. I don't know why. Hopefully it will work this time. I will explain later on if this working. Okay, we have to install the NVIDIA GPU again, the driver. Inshallah. I hope this will work. Okay, you can click agree, continue. It will install your graphic driver. Okay, I will skip this if the NVIDIA driver is installed. Okay, the installer is done, and you can see this is not trick. Install complete, and when I'm see the task manager, it will show the NVIDIA GPU for me. See, NVIDIA GTX 9050, and if we open the NVIDIA control panel, I'm sorry, the webcam is not adjust. I'm sorry. If we open the control panel, it will the control panel. Okay, this is okay, and we have to install the WinSFP. Okay, after the installer is done, installer driver is done, we have to shut down this machine. we have to oh, okay, this is on. Okay, we can turn on again. Yeah, this is okay. Okay, we turn on the machine again. This is this one, yeah. Wuthering Wave from the SSD, my Windows machine. And from this we have to type in services dot msc. After that we have to search the first IOFS services and we have to turn it on. Where is the fee? This one. We have to change it to start. After that we have to see the WUA folder and we can copy this and make it folder and call it Wuthering Wave and paste it to here and copy Wuthering Wave file to local disk C system. I will not do that because the storage is very low and I have to jump to my current system and will run. Okay, that's it. We have to shut down this machine. Okay, I have to jump to my main machine. Okay, I close it. The setup is done and I have to share with all of you with my current system. I have to add again my hardware. Yes, already it's somewhere. Yes. Oh, okay. We have to add my NVIDIA. Oh, why is the error is so annoying? Remove PCI, remove. I have to jump to this one. PCI host device. Yes. Okay, I will skip this one. This problem is so annoying. Okay, I fixed the problem and this is will start my Windows system. I will adjust the webcam again. Sorry, I will fix the problem why the NVIDIA GPU is not binded by default. Okay, I fixed the problem and hopefully this will work this time. Let's create the blink. Okay, the system is going to boot. Okay, so the system is going now, and the previously the Wuthering Wave folder is here. You can launch the game. Let's start the game. Wait a second. The game is currently loading on loading screen. We log into the game. And it's done, hopefully. Okay. Okay. The tutorial is done. I'm sorry for this mess. This is my first video with my webcam. I'm sorry. Okay. Thank you for watching my video. Hopefully this tutorial works for you. And that's it. Good evening everyone. And Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh from Islamic people. Thank you so much.